good.
Okay. Well, hi, I'm Mike Cross. I'm the National Sales Manager for Film and TV here with Airstar America. We have been in business going on about 30 years now as of next year, 27, I believe, in the US. But we are the inventor of balloon lighting. We have been pretty well known in terms of obviously the established balloon, phase of lighting and however you want to phrase that, I guess. But the quick version is that we won a Technical Academy Award on Titanic back in the 90s. And ever since then, we've been trying to innovate and obviously only better the concept of not only balloon lighting for film and TV, but our other divisions, which would be our events division and construction, military, things of that nature, and all the other sectors we work in. Today, we have a bunch of product here to show you, some newer stuff, some not as new, but obviously some stuff that we think is pretty valuable. And most notably, behind me, we have our Neo film units. We were the first to market with these. And we have a couple different sizes back here, most notably the one on the far end here being our 30-watt 1.2M Neo film, followed by our 2.2M, and then we have a 2.2M XL, which is just obviously double the output of the other one. We also have above us here one of our bread and butter lights, as I like to call it, our 1.8 bicolor LED tube. And that came out probably about 2 years ago now, but we're hopefully in the neighborhood of actually getting some more different accessories and things like that for it. And then we also have a couple other things with our NeoPad that we have available now, which is a really unique design. It's a 6-foot by 4-foot panel at 800 watts, produces a beautiful, gorgeous soft light, and it's super lightweight. It's only 11 pounds, 14 pounds if it's rigged on a stand with the actual accessories and whatnot to rig it to. And then finally behind me on the other end, you probably can't see it directly behind me, but it's our GAF Air LED. That's 900 watts. It's basically a redesign of our classic GAF Air, but now instead of it being HMI or classically tungsten, it's all in bicolor LED format. I'm Mike Cross. I'm the National Sales Manager for Film and TV here at Airstar. I'm based in Atlanta, but we have 4 offices across the US. We're headquartered in Orlando, but obviously we also have offices in LA and also Vegas. Please stop by, and thank you guys for coming to the Cine Expo, and thank you for coming to check out our booth, and hopefully we get to see you soon.
Big bang.
Oh.
It'll be easy peasy.
We try. Oh. Thank you.
So I got that. I'll put it in there.
Appreciate that.
You like it how I have it laid out?
Yeah, 100%. I was gonna say, just try when you guys end up editing me to cut me and make me sound smart. That's all the request.
Bulk you up a little bit.
Yeah.
Shave off 20 pounds.